Oh hey, what's up? Well, we're in the middle of fixing Ryan's 240SX because his car got stolen. We're also attempting to finish the Prelude because it still isn't drivable after 2 months of sitting there waiting to get fixed. All of that needs to get done before we can focus on John's GTR, which is literally rusting away as we were speaking. Meanwhile, the farm truck is broke down and needs attention immediately because the Scion is now being used as the wood chopping vehicle. Sam's M3 needs a clutch soon before it explodes. The Lexus, my Lexus, needs a timing belt really quick. But while all this is happening, I was going into town to get a part for Ryan's car, and then this happened. So now it is 9 o'clock at night, and we are replacing the alternator in my Lexus because reasons. It's going to be fine. We've seen this done in the movies. Can't be that bad. The really good news is that the rain just let up. Hopefully it stays that way. And when we get hungry, we broke down at a Taco Bell. So it's not all bad news. Let's do this.
The farmer with the hole in the bucket also has to replace the fan before he can get to the bolt on the alternator.
Just remove it, not replace it.
Hit the ground.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Steady as she goes, Ryan. Oh man.
What?
Ding. Alright. Step number now is take the top nut off. Then take the bottom fastener off, then send Ryan under the car.
Oh, man.
There it is. Boom. Look how greasy that is. I have a greasy car.
Yeah.
All right, bottom one. I've done my part. Now it's the B team's turn.
Do you have the tools?
What tools do you need?
I don't know.
You don't need any tools.
I bet there's like a 10 millimeter
Oh, you need a 12.
holding a fucking 10 on.
We have the 12s.
For positive ground.
We have the 12s. Get down there.
Get down there.
Get under the car.
Sick of it.
She should wiggle on off there.
Do you even have your sway bars too?
No. See, this is why I send him down there for that job. See all of the grease falling off into his face? I don't want that.
We're rolling. And gotcha.
Okay.
Got your stupid face in the shot.
Remember, kids, disconnect the battery before you screw with the electrical
Before you
system.
shock the shit out of yourself?
I shocked myself, so you don't have to.
Gotcha.
All right. Now, I don't know how to get this off. Okay.
Is this an unboxing video now?
Yes! Today, we're unboxing an alternator from CarQuest for a 1998 Lexus LS400, and let me tell you what, it's big, it's heavy, and it makes 100,000 million cold crank amps. And I'm dirty.
Yeah.
All right. So,
It's gonna look as dirty as the old one without even putting
before
it
I even put it in, I know, I'm pre-dirtying it. Come on, baby. Let's slam it and jam it. The right way to do this is from underneath the car by removing some things that we don't know exist. So what we're going to do instead is the same way we got it out, which is just to push really hard past the fan trap.
in. Yeah, and the coolant hose.
And the cooling hose, like so.
Thus taking the positive terminal from the battery and shoving it straight through your radiator cores.
Like that.
Maybe I should stop filming and help.
No. Don't be stupid. I can do this. This is in the factory, so. And then it's through. And now you go under the car and be sad again. Yay. What time is it?
9:38.
Oh man, it only took 38 minutes to get it ready to go back in.
Yeah.
So we're doing
And now
pretty
we
good.
know everything.
Everything. I keep thinking I want music, but then our friends across the street are playing...
The BMW motorcycle dealership?
They're playing holiday tunes. It's nice. really gets me in the spirit of things.
Did you mention in the video that it's Thanksgiving Eve?
No, I forgot to mention that in the true carfoolery spirit, we are doing this on the eve of Thanksgiving. Our family's at home in the warm houses with the fires roaring, getting ready for the feast tomorrow. And here we are preparing for our taco feast when our parking lot repair is finished. Ah, the joys of motoring. All right, let's pull the Scion around and see if that did her.
We seem to have it done.
We just changed an alternator on my car in a Taco Bell parking lot.
In the rain.
In the rain, in the dark, at night, in an hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So let's get the Scion, see if it works.
Charger up.
Well, yeah.
All right, charging up the Lexus. Dude, we're almost done.
Dude, we are almost...
And you're using rainwater off of the roof of your fucking car.
Well, they closed, so...
You're getting a taste of what it was like when I was a homeless person in Washington.
You used rainwater off the roof of your car to clean
I
your
did
hands?
some weird shit back
Oh,
then,
man.
Steven. I did some real weird shit.
Okay, well, it's working. Hey! Would you look
13.6?
at that?
All right, I say give it a shot.
I agree.
Woo! All right, well, the car started. I'm gonna pull these cables off. I didn't shock myself, that's good. Now we see the volts we're producing under its own.
Yes.
That's the real answer.
14 and a half.
Okay, I think that's fixed.
I'd say it's fixed, baby.
Woo, we're back!
I can't believe that was that easy.
Ah,
I really can't believe. Hour and a half.
Hey,
Now,
we
we're
dug
up a car.
ourselves out of the hole by one thing.
We dug ourselves out by one car.
Now we can call this old reliable again. The real star of the show, though, the lowered XB with tinted windows and a 15-inch sub in the trunk on 16-inch 2002 spec wheels. It hasn't given us any problems during this whole time we've been digging ourselves in and out of a hole. It's been soldiering on. You gotta give it that.
All right. All right, well, that's how you do that.
Any last words?
Let's go home.
Let's go eat tacos until we shit our pants.
Let's go home.
Okay.